As a vegan, it's essential to consume foods rich in iron, vitamin B12, and other nutrients to combat anemia. Here are some vegan food recommendations and reasons why they help. Iron-rich foods include legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans. Dark leafy greens such as spinach, kale, and collard greens. Nuts and seeds like pumpkin seeds, sesame seeds, and sunflower seeds. Whole grains including quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat. Mushrooms like shiitake and oyster. Beetroot and dark chocolate with 70% cocoa. Iron helps produce hemoglobin, which carries oxygen in red blood cells, and iron deficiency is the most common cause of anemia. For vitamin B12, consider fortified plant-based milk, nutritional yeast, vegan B12 supplements, fortified cereals, and some brands of tofu. Vitamin B12 helps produce red blood cells, and deficiency can lead to megaloblastic anemia. Folate-rich foods include dark leafy greens like spinach and kale, legumes such as lentils and chickpeas, whole grains like quinoa and brown rice, avocado, and citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. Folate helps produce red blood cells, and deficiency can lead to megaloblastic anemia. Vitamin C-rich foods include citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits, berries such as strawberries and blueberries, bell peppers, broccoli, and tomatoes. Vitamin C enhances iron absorption and helps produce collagen, supporting healthy blood vessels. Other essential nutrients include copper, found in nuts, seeds, and legumes, zinc found in legumes, nuts, and seeds, and vitamin E found in nuts, seeds, and whole grains. To enhance absorption, consume vitamin C-rich foods with iron-rich foods, cook in cast iron cookware, avoid tea, coffee, and milk with meals as they inhibit iron absorption, and consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized guidance. Some excellent vegan anemia-fighting recipes include lentil soup with spinach and citrus, quinoa salad with roasted vegetables and avocado, chickpea and beetroot curry, and a smoothie bowl with fortified plant-based milk, berries, and spinach. Would you like more recipe ideas, information on specific nutrient deficiencies, or guidance on supplementing your vegan diet? Please respond with the number of your preferred option. As a vegan, it's crucial to focus on foods rich in iron, vitamin B12, and folate to combat anemia. Legumes like lentils and chickpeas are fantastic sources of iron, while dark leafy greens such as spinach and kale pack a powerful punch too. Don't forget about nuts and seeds. Pumpkin seeds and sesame seeds are especially beneficial. For a delicious boost, try a lentil soup with spinach and a splash of citrus, or a quinoa salad loaded with roasted veggies and avocado. Remember, cooking in cast iron can also help increase your iron intake. Prioritize these nutrients, and you'll be well on your way to fighting anemia while enjoying a vibrant vegan diet.